Hi, my name is Udit Agarwal, and I'm the founder and CEO of NextWaveSTEM. We have over 100 years of STEM talent on our team that can provide great training for the teachers, make them feel comfortable with these new technologies that are becoming really relevant in the classrooms and in the real world.
What gets me most excited about the work that we are doing here at NextWaveSTEM is that we are bringing opportunities and this STEM curriculum to students that would not normally have access to it.
Working for CPS, when I went into the classrooms, I saw lots of different types of robots, 3D printers, and did not see much use of how they play a role in education. So that whole piece of curriculum and teacher training, professional development seemed to be missing, which is why I created NextWaveSTEM.
Going into the future, my vision and my truest hope for NextWaveSTEM is that students have no barriers of access when it comes to emerging technologies. If an instructor wants to teach a student about how to build and program a robot, there shouldn't be an impediment there. If an instructor wants to teach the engineering design process and even computer-aided design or computer-aided manufacturing, there shouldn't be a barrier there. If an instructor wants to teach physical sciences through drone flight, there shouldn't be a barrier there.
Recently, we launched a We Teach solution, which we are placing STEM mentors in the classrooms to teach STEM throughout the school year without feeling a need to start from scratch.
For our all-in-one curriculum solutions, we do a lot to make sure that our teachers are very prepared to be able to bring these programs into their classroom. We set up professional development so that you are aware of the curriculum, you know the ins and outs, you know how to utilize the equipment and the technology. We help you with troubleshooting, and if you have additional questions, our team is always there for you. We give you access to our learning management system, and all of the curriculum is ready to go for you.
Being a 5-star STEM vendor with CPS has allowed us to work with over 50 different schools throughout Chicago, and we are proud to continue our work and work with more schools in the coming years.
NextWaveSTEM is the kind of company that I believe will help knock down those walls, and it's critical. We understand that there are challenges that we're seeing today that we don't have the answers to and that we're going to need technology for. So the more technologists, engineers, mathematicians, and scientists that NextWaveSTEM can help produce, the better off our entire future will be.